Discuss about representation of an atom and atomic number and mass number. The representation of an atom is shown here. The symbol X represents the symbol of the element. The superscript A represents the atomic mass number, whereas the subscript Z represents the atomic number of the element. The atomic number Z gives the number of protons present in an atom, whereas the mass number A gives the total number of protons and neutrons present in an atom. We will now discuss a simple question based on this. An atom has 29 electrons and 35 neutrons. Calculate the number of protons and the mass number of the element. Also write the complete symbol for the atom. In a neutral atom, number of electrons and number of protons are equal. So in this question, the atomic number Z, which is equal to number of protons, is also equal to 29. The mass number is given by total number of protons plus total number of neutrons. As per the details, it is given by 29 plus 35, that is equal to 64. Now since the atomic number is 29, the element is copper. In a neutral atom, number of protons and number of electrons are equal. The number of neutrons is given by mass number minus atomic number. We will now find the number of protons, neutrons and electrons in some elements. The first element is bromine. Here we can see that the mass number is 80 and the atomic number is 35. Atomic number 35 means number of protons is equal to 35, which means that the number of electrons are also equal to 35. Now the number of neutrons is given by mass number minus atomic number, that is 80 minus 35, and the answer is 45. The next element is chlorine. The mass number is 37 and atomic number is 17. Since the atomic number is 17, the number of protons is equal to 17, which implies that the number of electrons is also equal to 17. Now the number of neutrons is given by mass number minus atomic number, that is 37 minus 17, and the answer is 20. The next element is fluorine. The mass number is 19 and the atomic number is 9. Since the atomic number is 9, the number of protons is equal to 9, which in turn, the number of electrons are also equal to 9. Now, the number of neutrons are given by mass number minus atomic number, that is 19 minus 9, and the number of neutrons is equal to 10. Next, we will discuss how to find the number of protons, neutrons and electrons in case of ions. Ions are of two types, cation and anion. Cations are positively charged species, whereas anions are negatively charged. Here the ion given is sodium plus 1 cation. A cation is formed by the removal of electrons from a neutral atom. Since the charge given is plus 1, this means that this ion is formed by the removal of 1 electron. The mass number is 23 and the atomic number is 11. Since the atomic number is 11, the number of protons is also equal to 11. If it was a neutral atom, the number of electrons also would have been equal to 11. But in this case, here it is sodium plus 1 cation, that is 1 electron is removed. So the number of electrons is equal to 10. The number of neutrons is given by mass number minus atomic number, that is 23 minus 11, and the answer is 12. We will solve a few more similar questions. Now, we have to find the number of protons, neutrons and electrons in each of these ions. The ions are potassium plus 1 cation, oxygen minus 2 anion, and calcium plus 2 cation. In the case of potassium, the mass number is 39 and atomic number is 19. Since the atomic number is 19, the number of protons is also equal to 19. If it had been a neutral atom, the number of electrons would have also been equal to 19. But since it is an ion and the charge is plus 1, this means that 1 electron is less compared to the number of protons. So, the number of electrons is equal to 18. The number of neutrons is given by mass number minus atomic number, that is 39 minus 19, and the answer is 20. Next, in the case of oxygen, the mass number is 16 and the atomic number is 8. Since the atomic number is 8, the number of protons is equal to 8. If it had been a neutral atom, the number of electrons would have also been equal to 8. But in this case, the charge of oxygen is minus 2. It indicates that there are 2 electrons extra when compared to the number of protons, so the number of electrons is equal to 10. Now the number of neutrons is given by mass number minus atomic number, that is 16 minus 8, that is equal to 8. Next, in the case of calcium, the mass number is 41 and the atomic number is 20. Since the atomic number is 20, the number of protons is also equal to 20. Now the charge of calcium is given as plus 2. A charge of plus 2 indicates that there are 2 electrons less when compared to that of the number of protons. So the number of electrons is equal to 20 minus 2, that is equal to 18. Now the number of neutrons is given by mass number minus atomic number, that is 41 minus 20, and that is equal to 21. Now as a homework, write the nucleus symbol for the following atoms or ions with the help of a periodic table and also mention the charge of each atom or ion.